A friendly gardener shared the secret to fertilizing cucumbers with me. Since then, I've been collecting full buckets. The harvest is large, and the cucumbers are juicy and full of flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to a larger bowl. It acts as a natural pH regulator for the soil and improves nutrient absorption. The next ingredient is dry yeast. Yeast is a source of vitamins for plants, stimulating the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the soil, which supports plant growth. Add 2 tablespoons. Wood ash is also very important. It contains potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, which are essential for flowering and fruiting. Additionally, it helps neutralize the soil. Add 2 tablespoons to the bowl. Mix the dry ingredients. Then, pour in about 7 ounces of lukewarm water and mix well. Let it sit for 2 hours to activate the ingredients. After that, prepare a 10-gallon bucket of water. Pour in the mixture you've prepared and stir. Water the cucumbers with this fertilizer once a week, preferably in the evening, around the base of the plants. The cucumbers will grow faster and be more resistant to diseases. From one bed, you'll collect so many that you'll be giving whole bags to your neighbors.